It's Mecky and Fernie, and we are exploring Costa Rica with 10 of our bestest buddies, drinking lots of coffee, hiking to some pretty cool sights and scenery, and of course, spotting some very interesting animals along the way. You can follow the adventures on our website and YouTube channel at Time for Act 2. See you soon.
So it's just before 6 a.m. here in Costa Rica, in La Fortuna. And this is the view of the volcano we have. And it's a pretty good view of the volcano. Also, it gets kind of dark here in Costa Rica at 6:30 p.m. But you can get up early and get a early start to your day, because it's not even 6 and it's daylight here already. And we're heading to the volcano, and we got local tunes playing too.
About wildlife, whatever that you hear, whatever that you see and makes you feel interesting, please ask me. I study biology and I just really love my office, which is the forest, so any question, don't hesitate and please enjoy. Also, probably among all the handles, be careful with the sure.
Oh, we can all use one.
We're going to have this, among all the trade, we're going to have this type of handle. So always check before we use it. You can use it, but always check it, because you never know, it could be a caterpillar, a snake, or something like that.
Oh, great.
Snakes and could be friendly or not, so please just check them.
We're gonna see any deer.
So we're in the Mistico Hanging Bridge Park, and can you hear the cicadas? Just learned that that's what was making that noise. Breakfast, guys. Even the spider.
We did already.
Well, but the spider needs to have breakfast too. You get him? This is Vivi con el niño. Just trying to make sure I capture the moments. This is a little creek, again going through the middle of the rainforest. And this is one of the bridges that we're going through. This represents 1% of the actual rainforest, the one that's got the paths on it. Very cool. Very cool. So this is one of the bridges, and Willie's jumping on the bridge, and we don't appreciate Willie jumping on the bridge. Very cool. I looked him up too, Maria. I looked him up. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah?
Okay, no running, no jumping. All right, run now.
Ay, baby.
Ahora sí vamos a ver eso.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for you guys, dude.
Why? No corran. Ay, 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 candela. Somebody's moving this.
That's our Cuban asses. Shut up! By the way, your husband does not follow the rules. Okay, so we're on one of the longer hanging bridges, and somebody's moving it. Not sure who, but it does move around quite a bit, for the record. And it's a little bit interesting and scary because we are way up high. But look how pretty. Oh my God. Look how beautiful this is. Gorgeous. Totally gorgeous. Very, very, very wavy.
Never a good idea.
Oh, that's the fatigue counts alone.
I see all of us on
A selfie and then jumping around and stretching on that cable. Yeah, wait, yeah, yeah. That's good to know that.
Not fun, not fun.
What are you talking about?
Not fun.
Why is we coming so slow? What are you talking about?
Because dije, esta la estaba moviendo, like there was no tomorrow.
The cable. The monkey's on the cable.
Or was it open your eyes but not your mouth?
There's another one behind him on the trees.
In the trees up there.
Yeah, I'm recording them.
I recorded a bit too.
Look, with a baby. Yeah.
Okay, we got another one of these scary bridges. And I got Vivi in front of me. Vivi, you want... Oh, that's all we're getting. We're getting a hand. Oh, look, we got Vivi. A pose. Nice. Okay, we're good.
It doesn't look as strong as the last one.
Ay, por favor, Fernando.
Seriously.
And of course, I've got Fernie behind me.
Oye,
Sigue pa'lante. I know. I know, I know, I know. Well, I have it around my...
el teléfono se quedó ahí abajo, ¿eh?
Yeah, pretty much. If the phone drops, it goes down. Okay, here comes the conga line. Here they come. Artie's in the lead. And we got Christy. Christy's not doing her jumps. Oh, yes, she is doing her. She's doing her antics. Yeah. I'm going to have to speed up this film here. We're going to have to... Here we go. Then Daisy, and then David.
Becky, you're gonna drop the phone. You're gonna be so pissed.
And you're gonna see Blanca speed walking across the bridge. She wants no part of this bridge at all. She's doing a fabulous job.
The meetings that we had initially, that's what we understood. So, listen, I mean, I think it's an interpretation was legal because the first
The little ant that could check him out, or her, carrying 10 times his weight. Here, I'll do it this one. Look, 1, 2. Oh, la mataste.
La matate.
Y esta.
Yo, feel deprived.
That's what covered Pompeii. Yeah, no. Of course it did. Hello, it was ash on top of the people. It was the lava. Mira, David. Anyway. Whoa! How do you guys feel right now?
A little out of breath.
Baby says she feels great.
Just great.
Joe versus the volcano. I mean Willie.
Too much chili sauce.
Goodness, I'm dripping.
I say you file a discrimination charge.
Seriously, this is the end here. We're not lying. We got some howler monkeys.
Look at the monkeys. Look at them.
Blanca, we got howler monkeys over here. Come here. All right, you made it. Mira el otro. Where are the monkeys?
She said chicken or meat, and I'm like, I didn't want to be the one that said, well, I ordered vegetarian. You know, I didn't want to be that person.
Okay. Let's plant these seeds. Keep it.
We're getting Guarapo time. Guarapo time.
Super. Vamos, 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 vamos. Sí.
You can do it.
You can do it, Fernie.
You can do it.
Yes, sir.
That's good stuff.
Yep. Keep going, don't stop. Yes. Ay, ay, ay. What are you guys doing? Oh, you're gonna do it. Oh, I see what she's doing. Did you see what she was doing? She put it all in there and now.
Hay las plantitas aquí. Sí.
Yeah, it does look good.
Super. Vamos a hacer
All right. Oh.
las plantitas.
Sí, aquí es la pareja de la tierra. Aquí tiene 30 años y yo nunca he usado un cercolín para preparar la tierra. La tierra se valorifica, se verifica. Nada más que hay que tener mucho cuidado porque también así, a comprar de suave, también es fácil de que se llene el agua. Y hay que tener unos al nivel, la derecha.